वेल हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा नाम है कनव बाली और मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं साहिल मल्होत्रा एंड वी आर हियर टू डिस्कस अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग। जसप्रीत बुमराह इंडिया लीडिंग स्पीयर हेड जेम कोहिनूर, बहुत कुछ कहा गया है जसप्रीत बुमराह को, और उन सब नामों के बीच में एक और चीज कहा गई है, शायद पोटेंशियल इंडिया के अगले कैप्टन भी। कहते हैं कई लोग दे वांट टू सी जसप्रीत बुमराह टू बी द इंडियाज नेक्स्ट कैप्टन, बट देन अगेन ही इज अ बॉलर, वो वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट 100 चीजें और आ जाती है। लेकिन जसप्रीत बुमराह ने एक रिसेंट इंटरव्यू में जब उनसे कैप्टनसी के बारे में पूछा गया तो उन्होंने दिल खोल के जवाब दिया, और उनके जवाब से साहिल कहीं ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि वो चाहते हैं कि नहीं कैप्टनसी ऐसी कोई नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ उन्होंने नहीं बोला। उनके जवाब से लग रहा था कि वांट्स टू बी कैप्टन। ही टॉक्ड अबाउट वसीम अकरम द कैप्टन, इमरान खान, कपिल देव, पैट कमिंस रिसेंटली, उन्होंने बहुत एग्जांपल्स दिए, बहुत कुछ बोला। You have heard the full answer. You have heard Jasprit Bumrah talking about captaincy or fast bowlers being India's or any team's captain. How do you see that answer? If you could tell our viewers, what did Jasprit Bumrah say exactly?
Look, first and foremost, Kanavi was asked to rate the greatest captain he has played under. So his response seemed very honest and straightforward, and he says that he's the greatest captain he has ever played under. So he considers himself to be the greatest captain because he thoroughly enjoyed that captain's experience. I think he has led India in 2 T20s in Ireland and one test against England when Rohit was sick for the rescheduled test in 2022. So the sample size isn't there for us to kind of read too much into his captaincy or what he does on the field when he has that captain's armband around his arm. But again, he's made it clear now that he very much likes that added responsibility. He was asked, unlike other fast bowlers who chill at fine leg or third man region, he still stays involved, fielding at mid on, mid off, speaking to the younger bowlers, and the praise, the way he kind of spoke about his younger bowlers when he was asked about who could be the next Jasprit Bumrah. He said, why one? There should be many. And he named Mukesh Kumar, he named Avesh Khan, he named all these bowlers, who could be the next Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj. So he said, why one? Everyone should be better than me. So that speaks about his selflessness and the ambition which he's certainly carrying. And he did not shy away from that, no beating around the bush. He kind of clearly said that responsibility kind of brings the best out of him. And as a bowler, he kind of enjoys taking that added responsibility. So enough signs, enough hints. Over to the BCCI now.
Absolutely, over to the BCCI, and he himself said that I can't go up and tell it's above my pay grade, is what he said when the captaincy thing came. When he said it's above my pay grade, I can't tell anybody if I make me the captain. But Jasprit Bumrah, India's captain, how do you see this in future? जो एक डिबेट चलती आ रही है कि क्यों जसप्रीत बुमराह कैप्टन नहीं बन सकते, इज बिकॉज जो हम खुद बात करते हैं कि उनको कॉटन वुल में क्रैप करके रखने की जरूरत है, इतनी क्रिकेट खिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है जो नेसेसरी नहीं है। आप उनको इंडिया के बाहर टेस्ट मैचेस खिलाइए, आप उनको आईसीसी के टूर्नामेंट्स खिलाइए, आपको इंडिया में उनको टेस्ट मैच खिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है, T20 बायलेटरल्स खिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है। इस सब के बीच में डू यू थिंक कैप्टनसी इज एन आइडियल रोल फॉर समबडी लाइक जसप्रीत बुमराह?
Kanav, it's all about prioritizing what you want from Bumrah, where you want him to be in the next 2 years. He's just 30 right now, and I'm saying just 30 because age का उतना problem नहीं है. It's just the action and the injury history which he has had, which kind of puts and plants certain doubts in our heads about how regular he's going to be, whether he's required to be that regular. All those things, it's just about prioritizing what the Indian cricket team want out of him. He has played close to 40 tests, 90 ODIs, 70 T20s for the country, and over 230 T20s in general, which includes his Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy outings and the IPL outings. So he has played a lot of cricket across formats. But I think now is the time to kind of take that Bumrah call if you want him to be part of that leadership group in the tests. I don't see him playing a lot of white ball cricket. I mean, he could well be playing just the ICC games or just tournaments preceding ICC tournaments, but don't waste him for ICC for these useless bilateral fixtures. So आपको prioritize करना पड़ेगा कैलेंडर देख के कि बुमराह कहाँ फिट इन होते हैं अगले 2-3 साल के अंदर. And if you see him playing those 14-15 test matches in the next 2-3 years, might as well give him vice captaincy before Rohit kind of decides to hang his boots and Bumrah can be elevated. But that has to happen and will happen only if Bumrah is fit enough and available, just like Hardik, right? The captain has
Yeah.
to be on the field. So Bumrah has to
Yeah.
play all the matches of the series. And even in the
Yeah.
England Test series, where we saw him being rested for one of the
Yeah.
tests. So, you need to factor in all these things. And I'm sure BCCI also factored that in when they elevated Shubman Gill to ODI and T20 vice captaincy, because अगर continuity or longevity चाहिए तो a batter could be a better bet just to have that
Yeah.
stability in the setup.
Absolutely. And how Gautam Gambhir and Ajit Agarkar approached the T20I captaincy, is that a sign that Bumrah being a captain is tough, especially इनके अंडर, क्योंकि हार्दिक पांड्या को कैप्टनसी इसलिए नहीं दी बिकॉज दे वर स्केप्टिकल कि ही माइट नॉट प्ले ऑल द गेम्स गोइंग
Yeah.
फॉरवर्ड इन फ्यूचर इन द नेक्स्ट 2 years. एंड बुमराह के साथ जैसे आपने कहा कि this could be the case, you don't know if he is going to play every test or not. So do you think under this kind of team management or coach or selector, it's tough for Jasprit Bumrah to be captain, even
So
if he
it's good that
wants?
it's good that the management is very clear about what they want, and their first and foremost premise is that the player has to be available, right? You can't be picking and
Yeah.
choosing games if you have to lead the side. Not that Bumrah is picking and choosing games, but there are moments and occasions where the management themselves decide we need to keep him fresh for as many games possible in future. That is why he did not play these six white ball fixtures against Sri Lanka. He'll directly play the September 19th
Yeah.
Test series versus Bangladesh. So all these things, even the management thinks good for him, well for him, because they want him to be playing for the country as long as possible. If that is the case, he may not be playing all the games for you, right? And if he isn't playing all the games for you, he can't be a captain. That's the only thing which is stopping him from captaincy right now. Otherwise, he has been part of the leadership group. His voice is heard in the huddle, and he's a vocal enough character, intense enough character. And the way
Yeah.
he spoke about that Pat Cummins episode, the Pat Cummins example which he gave,
Yeah.
that fast
Yeah.
bowlers can be captains and we are like good thinkers of the game. And that added responsibility worked very well for Pat Cummins, who led Australia to the ODI World Cup title, WTC final victory, and so many positive outcomes. So he is making a case for himself, but वो केस कितना सुना जाएगा, सबूत कितने इनके पक्ष में है, वो देखना पड़ेगा. But right now, I think because you want to preserve him, so don't burden him with
Yeah.
anything. Just allow him to bowl freely. That's it.
Yeah, well, this is actually a very interesting case because you don't want to burden him as a board, as a captain, but he himself wants to somewhere lead the Indian team. वो उनके answers से ये hint हो रहा है कि he'll be more than happy to be India's captain, especially in the test format. And going forward, will this happen or दिस वोंट हैपन, ये देखना बहुत जरूरी होगा क्योंकि एक प्लेयर और बड़ा प्लेयर, इट्स नॉट दैट एक यंगस्टर कह रहा है कि नो आई वुड लव टू लीड टीम इंडिया इन फ्यूचर. ही इज अ बिग प्लेयर, ही इज अ बिग मैच प्लेयर, एंड इफ ही इज ड्रॉपिंग हिंट्स, so it really gets interesting, but we'll have to wait and see if this coach or selector is up for this because they have named Shubman Gill as vice captain. तो उनके दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है, बुमराह के दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है, तो ये देखना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा आगे क्या होता है. थैंक यू सो मच साहिल फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद अस एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स. डू सब्सक्राइब टू द क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल, हिट द बेल आइकन ताकि आपको सारी नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहे ऐसी वीडियोस और लाइव्स के लिए. आपको क्या लगता है कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए, क्या जसप्रीत बुमराह को इंडिया का टेस्ट कैप्टन अगला बनना चाहिए आफ्टर रोहित शर्मा और नॉट? आपके जो भी थॉट्स है प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे जरूर लिखिएगा. तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब टू द क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल एंड टेक केयर. थैंक यू.